Okay guys, today we're going to be painting this to a desert camo. It's going to be tan and the it's going to be a desert tiger. So there'll be black tiger or brown tiger stripes on it, and it's going to be tan. And so I'm just going to start painting. But before I paint, as you can see, I covered up the rubber buttstock with painter's tape, and I covered up the bar, the silver bar thing. So I'm just going to start painting it tan. And I'm going to get the whole thing. Okay guys, we're back. As you can see, it's basically all tan. We did run out of tan, so I'm kind of disappointed. We'll be getting some more to finish it. But anyway, so we basically got the whole gun. We didn't get the top yet, but we'll get that when we get some more tan. And so I have the stencil, and so now what you want to do is, sorry, there was a weed there. What you want to do is put the stencil on the stock right here, and just align it up to where it looks nice. And you want to take your brown and just put a light coat, like spray from far away. You want to make it'll look a lot nicer if it's not dripping everywhere. So you want to get it from pretty far back, like as far as about maybe a foot. And that looks nice because it's not too close. And you want to lightly put it on. Don't try to move it too much once it's on there, because that might mess up the lines. And, well, it's looking really nice. So, as you can see, it kind of looks like desert. It would be like branches or little twigs. And it just looks really nice for a camo. As you can see, we're basically done with the stock. We just have one more coat to do on the stock. Just put it right here. There we go. Oh, we got a little red on there. That's a mess up. What you can do, or what I'm going to do, is put a brown over it. So take one of the biggest part of the stencils, or this stencil's really small, but put it over the red, and there, that should do it. And that's a lot darker, so I kind of messed up there, but whatever. It's still looking good. I can see it's coming along nice. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. It's going to be a bit harder to lay out the stencil because of the, gosh, red's coming off the bottom of this. Okay. Well, it's going to be a bit harder to lay the stencil down because of the parts of the gun. I think it's looking really nice so far. I mean, I'm satisfied. And again, try to keep a good distance from the template, or from the template and the gun. Because you don't want the brown to be too dark on your weapon. Now we're onto the barrel. And so it's going to be a lot quicker. So, we're almost finished. Okay. And try to use, when you're on the barrel, try to use different parts of the stencil. Like, I'm going to use this top now. Look okay. And now you're just going to let that dry. And we'll see when we come back. Hey guys, we're back, and this is the finished product. It looks really nice. There's the pattern right there. You can see it going all the way through the sniper. The part that we taped up, all that right there, that's It's still perfectly fine. It's just got a little goop on it from the tape, but all you need is some Goo Gone and you can get rid of that. It's really nice. The trigger still works. I just shot it. Didn't know it was already cocked. Here. You can still cock the weapon. It's like I gotta get to the other side. Okay, you can still fully cock the weapon. Still has a fire selector. Trigger is fully functional. So it works. And also, we have this pistol, and we just spray painted it tan. And it goes with it pretty nice. I mean, it's not even Tiger, but we just thought it looked cool. Well, just comment, rate, and subscribe. Give us some ideas for some camos, and I'm sure we'll be able to get those done. Thanks for watching. Bye.